Let us discuss the next question now. This is from the year 2017. Out of the following statements, choose the one that brings out the principle underlying the cabinet form of government. Now, what is cabinet form of government? A cabinet form of government is one in which the legislature is there and the executive is formed out of the legislature. So, this is the parliamentary form of government. And the executive is collectively responsible to the House of People, that is the Lok Sabha. And this provision is clearly mentioned in the Article 75 subclause 3 in the Constitution. Now let us look at the statements. An arrangement for minimizing the criticism against the government whose responsibilities are complex and hard to carry out to the satisfaction of all. Are we having a cabinet form of government so that the criticism can be reduced? No, it doesn't matter. The criticism on the government would be there irrespective of the form of the government if they're not doing the proper work. So this is irrelevant and incorrect answer. Statement B, a mechanism for speeding up the activities of the government whose responsibilities are increasing day by day. Is the main objective of the cabinet form of government increasing the efficiency in the functioning of the government? One of the objectives is that yes, having a cabinet form of government will help in taking quick decisions, but taking the quick decisions is it the main basic motto? No, that's not the main basic motto. It's incorrect. A mechanism of parliamentary democracy for ensuring collective responsibility to the government of the people. So ensuring collective responsibility, the fact of collective responsibility of the executive to the legislature, that is the main objective of the cabinet form of government. So C is relevant answer. Statement D, a device for strengthening the hands of the head of the government whose hold over the people is in the state of decline. So is it used as a device by the prime minister so that he can have more power when his power is declining in the eyes of the people? No, right? Ultimately, if the prime minister and the council of ministers, if they lose no confidence motion in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha, they have to resign from the government. So this statement is also irrelevant and incorrect. The best possible option here is option number C. So what is a parliamentary system, also known as a cabinet system, where the collective responsibility of the executive exists to the legislature? And Article 75 clause 3 clearly says that the Prime Minister heading the Council of the Ministers, they are collectively responsible to the House of the People, that is to the Lok Sabha. What are the characteristics of this parliamentary system? Majority party rule, collective responsibility, membership of the ministers in the legislature, leadership of the Prime Minister at the central level or the Chief Minister at the state level, and dissolution of the lower house in case of no confidence motion. So coming back, the answer is C here.